What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was playing Fortnite and I was playing like Subway Surfers, and then what happened was I was 8 million in, and then I just died, and I had no keys, so I threw my phone and cracked it both in the back and the front. Yeah, I threw it pretty hard.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thanks, boss.
Apple is gone. Phone is still working. You see the light? Nothing on the screen. Oh no, Face ID is broken. It's raining bad outside. Look at this. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Check the products in this video, what kind of glue I use for this phone. Let's apply this. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh my god. I can't. Is this the same phone? Oh my
That's
god.
the same phone.
Wow. Wow. Good, amazing job. Yep, I'm not playing no more phone games.
You got it.